Welcome to a new climate frontier. Global warming is accelerating, and the implications are alarming. James Hansen's report reveals that the rate of global warming has increased by at least 50%. From 1970 to 2010, the global warming rate was 0.18 degrees Celsius per decade. It has now increased to 0.27 degrees Celsius per decade. Earth's energy imbalance is the proximate cause of global warming. This imbalance has nearly doubled in recent years. This energy imbalance is equivalent to the energy in 400,000 Hiroshima atomic bombs per day, every day. Equilibrium climate sensitivity measures Earth's response to changes in atmospheric CO2. Recent data suggests it's higher than we thought. Hansen's report suggests that the climate sensitivity is 4.8 degrees Celsius for doubled CO2, 60% greater than previous assumptions. If we continue on this path, by 2100, we could see a constant warming of 0.27 degrees Celsius per decade. This is not the world our policymakers are anticipating. But it's the world our children will live in. If a child was born in 2020, they'll see 3 degrees warming when they're 55. Yet, there is hope. It is possible to restore Earth's energy balance. If the public finds the taste of the new climate frontier to be sufficiently disagreeable, we can begin to take action. The problem isn't the prediction of public awakening. The public will certainly wait. The problem is that the public's not in charge. Yet. But if we can harness the power of the people, we can begin to restore a propitious climate. It's time to take action. For our planet, for our children, for our future. Let's step into this new climate frontier together, and create a world we can be proud to pass on.